Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how I prepare bell peppers for dehydration. So what I'm going to do is take each bell pepper out. They've already been washed off, and then I'm going to cut them into small slits and place them on a tray here for the dehydrator, and then place them in a dehydrator here, and then stack them. And then once that's done, then I will put the lid on top of it, turn it down low so that it would dry them out. Okay, so let me get to it. Now, one of the other things that I do is I try to save my scraps. So I'm going to collect these. These have seeds in it, and sometimes I'll pull the seeds out and store the seeds so I can use them again for next year. But I have a compost out back, a tumbler, and so basically after I cut all these up and I have scraps, I'm going to throw them in the compost out back. All right, I'm going to show you a little trick here with bell peppers. What you want to do is take the knife and cut around this area here, and it makes it a whole lot easier to work with. I'll show you in a moment. Okay, so what I did is I made a cut around, and then all I need to do is just pull this out. Push in. Sorry, I'm using one hand. I need a tripod. See how easy that was? And so then I'll just add these to the scrap. I might pull the seeds out of that. And so it makes it a lot easier to work with, right? This is what came out of it, which is pretty cool, huh? Yep. Okay, I got all the bell peppers on all the trays. All right, go down to the next one. Bell peppers. And then the last one, bell peppers. And so now what I can do is just put my lid on top like this, and then turn it on. As long as I can align this thing up. There we go. Well, anyway, I'm trying to work with one hand without a tripod. And as you can see, I got most of the bell peppers done, and I got very little scrap, which means that I use most of the bell pepper, which is great. So these are the bell peppers that came out of my garden, the last ones that I harvest. And so once these are done in probably a day and a half, then my next step is to do the carrots that came out of my garden, which will be both the leaves and the roots. And then we're going to talk about the medicinal benefits of bell pepper so that you know how to work with them. Okay, I got it on its lowest setting, which is 95 degrees. And so now I'm going to take these scraps. Now I kept the paper towel in here that I used to wipe this off because it's okay. This is biodegradable, so it's okay to put that in the compost. So I'm going to wrap this up, carry this outside, throw it in the compost. Right now it's dark. What time is it? It's 11:12 p.m. so it's almost midnight. So I'll just take this out in the dark, and then in the morning or in another video I'll show you what the compost looks like. Alright, so this is overnight. They're pretty soft right now, so they're not quite ready.